Hello friends, this is Abhishek here. Welcome to my channel Abhishek Tech Talk. So in this particular video, we will talk about Lightning App Builder. Okay, so we have three types of Lightning apps page in Salesforce. First is home page, record page, app page. Okay, there are some more pages, but these three are most important because when we create any Salesforce application, then these three pages used most of the case. So let's log in into my Salesforce org. Then we will discuss like how we can create these pages and what is the meaning of these pages. Okay, and like how we can add different component on this page. So let me write down my password, then log in. Okay. So what is the meaning of Lightning App Builder? So Lightning App Builder is a drag and drop point and click tool used to create and customize pages in Salesforce Lightning experience and the Salesforce mobile app without writing code. It allows admin and developer to build responsive user interface using standard custom and lightning web component. Okay, so basically responsive interface and like different components. When we want to add on pages, then we should to create lightning app pages in Salesforce. Okay, for lightning experience or and lightning mobile app. So on the home pages, we mostly use for to display dashboard reports and their different announcement. And for record page, we can customize the record layout pages for any object, and we also add like which related list should to show, and what are the flows like which skin flow should to show, and dynamic forms as well. And app pages we can add LWC components and different different LWC component or Aura component or dashboard. Whatever we want to show, we can add on app pages. Okay, it is similar. It is also visible on tab. So like I have created in the like how we can create basically. Firstly, we should to see so directly from setup we can see like there is a lightning builder builder. So this is user interface basically. So there is nothing for now, only LWC scenarios here. So I will show you like how it is showing. It's app builder basically, app pages. So when we click on new button, then there are some options to create like which type of page you want to create. Already I told you like there are various type of pages like apart from these three pages: amended service page, CDP record page, voice extension page, omni supervisor page. Okay, but we will discuss only these three pages for now because these are most important. If you, because we are on creating base understanding of different concept of Salesforce, so that's why. So these pages used for to create any. So home page, so I we can create our own custom home page. So this is a standard home page basically, and if you want to create our own home page, then we can create from this record page. We can create by this record page. You know what is record page? So when we go any of the record, like I click on this contact, then this is record page basically. Like left hand side we are able to see like different details of the contact, then related list tab. There are two tabs. Okay, and in the right hand side we are able to see chatter box. Okay, and these are the buttons, like all the things we can customize. Like if we don't want to see this, then we can like remove this as well. So these are the things we can control by the record page. And like home page, app page, I will show you. I already created on sales application. Sales application. So from here also I can edit, but I will show you on. So it's also show like a tab. So like this is the app page. Okay, there I added different LWC components which we will learn in upcoming sessions. So this is app page. So app page looks like this, record page look like this, and home page looks like this. So I hope you understand the difference between them. Okay, so like try to create any record page. So now, so I create on record, then I add like contact record page. Okay, then contact, then next, then we can add like which type of template you want to add. Like there are sections, first section, second, third, this type or this type. Like there are some margins and spaces which section you want to more get more. And if we want to clone, then we can go from this. Okay, so you can add anything. So like that I added this one, then click on next. Then we can add we can add components from there. So there are some LWC component which is record page, then we can add from here. But for now there is not any LWC record component. And if there is flow, then we can add from here. And for now I have just record page. So record detail page I added from here. This one, related list record I can add it from here. Then there is nothing or anything else. Like record and actions recommended, if there is anything. So like save it, and if we activate it, then we can assign it, and we are able to see on this record page. For now I don't assign anything because I want to show you more things for now. So that's how you can create this record page and add on uh, for any record page. So now second thing I want to show you like how we can edit it. So first is like you can go from here, click on edit page, and edit page, it's going contact record page. Okay, from here if you like most of the cases we when we start to create any application in Salesforce, then like detailed page should to first, and when we open any contact record or any of the record, then it should to open on detail tab. Then next of the detail tab, related tab should to show. So this is the requirement. So when I click on tab, then you are able to see on right side, like you are able to see records, sorry, tabs. So here I click on drag it up, then you are able to see like on the first tab is now record detail. But when we open any record, then it is by default tab open related tab. So I click on detail page and save it, then activate phone and click on next, save it. Okay, we can add more tab from here, like there are some nothing, but we want to add anything, document, anything you can add from here. Distribute details, you are able to see now there are three tabs. Okay, so now I'll remove it, then again save it, then save it. Now let's see what happened when we open any record. Okay, let's open a record. For now it's not edited, but on the first it's detail page and related, but there is some should do some changes, like when we open any contact record, then it should to open on detail tab. Mm, but for now it's open on, now save it, now it will open definitely. Let's open another, then it's open on detail tab. Okay, so that's how we can edit the code page. Now I am going to add it, like how we can add a page on our tab. So from edit page, okay, we have to add, click on add more, then all item, then click on LWC scenarios. So then plus icon, then add navigation item. When we create any app page, then there is an option like which application you want to show. So then you have to select all the application where you want to show your app page. So now you are able to see like end of the scenario app page is able to, you are able to see. Now I will teach you like for now how we can add record page. Okay, for now there is this record page looks like this. Okay, this is official record page. Now I am trying to add new record page which I created. Okay, so from here you can edit page, uh, lightning app builder, search on lightning builder. Record page. So here you are able to see the names of the pages. So I have created which one? I have created this one, I think. This one, so edit it. Not this is. It's not mine. I think first one. Yeah, this page I created initially when we start our video. So now how we can activate? So hey, from here we can assign the org. Then you can select like you want to show for both this page. Then save it. Okay. Then go to any of the record and see it showing or not. Now you are able to see. You are able to see any record like I have created the record page. Okay. So I think you are able to learn like you how we can add our app page, record page or home page to our application, and how we can create LWC app page, record page in Salesforce, and what is the meaning of Lightning App Builder. Okay. So hope this video useful for you, and if you have any doubt then please comment out below this video. So on this video, uh, that's enough, and I already delivered the content for this video. So thank you for watching this video, guys.